Top 10 largest birds in the world, living. Number 10. King penguin. Average mass, 13.6 kilograms. Maximum mass, 20 kilograms. Average total length, 92 centimeters. King penguin is the king of all penguins and largest among them. The hard climate and temperature of the extreme south forced king penguin to become social. They are heavily social and helps each other to acquire heat during an ice storm. King penguin can regularly dive in the sea to a depth of 100 meters and highest recorded king penguin dive was 300 meters. King penguin mainly lives in Antarctic and some sub-Antarctic island. Number 9. Great bustard. Average mass, 14 to 19 kilograms. Maximum mass, 21 kilograms. Average total length, 90 centimeters to 110 centimeters. Great bustard is the heaviest flying bird in the world. Bustards are omnivorous and take different food at the different season, which helps them to live up to 10 years in the wild. In a controlled environment, great bustard is known to live up to 15 years. Upper portion and tail of this bird are covered by brown and black wing, whereas lower portion and head is covered by a whitish feather. Great bustard is the 9th largest bird in the world and heaviest flying bird. Number 8. Lesser rhea. Average mass, 19.6 kilograms. Maximum mass, 28.6 kilograms. Average total length, 100 centimeters. Lesser rhea, also known as Darwin's rhea, is a flightless bird mainly found in southern part of South America, Chile, Bolivia, Argentina, Peru. Despite its inability to fly, it can run at a speed of 60 km/h, providing it an edge over predators. Sharp claws in its 2 powerful legs help it to fight predator, protect the egg and dig for food. Lesser rhea survives on fruit and grasses. During mating time, male lesser rhea becomes very aggressive to protect its territory. Number 7. Dwarf cassowary. Average mass, 19.7 kilograms. Maximum mass, 34 kilograms. Average total length 105 cm. It is the smallest of all cassowary species. Primarily found in mountain forests of New Guinea, New Britain, and Yapen Island. Dwarf cassowary is a solitary bird and pairs with a male in the breeding season. They mainly feed on insects, small animals, and fallen fruits. They are flightless, but with their strong legs they run up to a speed of 48 km/h. Number 6. Greater rhea. Average mass, 23 kilograms. Maximum mass, 40 kilograms. Average total length, 134 centimeters. Greater rhea is another South American flightless bird. Greater rhea is larger and heavier than its counterpart lesser rhea. Greater rhea is more spread out than Darwin's rhea and can be found in Brazil, Uruguay, Paraguay, Argentina, and Bolivia. A greater rhea can be up to 1.3 meters tall and as heavy as 40 kilograms. Average greater rhea lives about 10 years in the wild. Body and construction of greater rhea are similar to lesser rhea, the only thing which differs is size and body mass. Greater rhea is the largest bird in South America and 6th largest bird in the world. Number 5. Emperor penguin. Average mass, 31.5 kilograms. Maximum mass, 46 k. Average total length, 114 centimeters. Emperor penguin lives around 20 years in the wild, but in an ideal condition they can live up to 50 years. Emperor penguin only lives in Antarctica and its surrounding ocean. Body weight and length puts emperor in the top 5 among top 10 largest birds in the world. Number 4. Emu. Average mass, 33 kilograms. Maximum mass, 70 kilograms. Average total length, 153 centimeters. Emu, close relative to cassowary species, is a flightless bird native to Australia. This is the national bird of Australia. Emus have 3 subspecies, amongst them, 2 subspecies, Novia hollandii and woodwardi, are widely found in several places in Australia throughout the country. Their main diet consists of fruit, seeds, insects, some dead creatures like rodent, bird, insects, etc. Number 3. Northern cassoa. Average mass, 44 kilograms. Maximum mass, 75 kilograms. Average total length, 149 centimeters. Also known as single-wattled cassowary, is a flightless bird with black plumage. A female is slightly larger than the male, weighing an average of 44 kilograms, making it the third heaviest bird in the world. It is found in the islands of Yapen, Batanta, and Salawati. Fruits and small animals consist of in their primary diet. Number 2. Southern cassowary. Average mass, 45 kilograms. Maximum mass, 85 kilograms. Average total length, 155 centimeters. Southern cassowary, also known as double-wattled cassowary, is the second largest bird in the world. They are unable to fly like ostrich. It is primarily found in the tropical rainforests of Indonesia, New Guinea, and islands of northern Australia. It feeds on the fruits, insects, and vertebrates. The males incubate the eggs and rear the chicks alone. Number 1. Ostrich. Average mass, 104 kilograms. Maximum mass, 156.8 kilograms. Average total length, 210 centimeters. Ostrich is the largest living bird on Earth. Ostrich cannot run with their heavy wings, but they can run at high speed with their strong long legs. Ostriches lay the biggest/heaviest eggs, weighing about 1.4 kilograms. Historically, ostrich is an African bird, but due to farming, they are also found in Australia and America. They consume mainly fruit, grass, flowers, and even reptiles like snakes, lizards when occasionally available. Male ostriches are good fathers as they help to build nests, incubating the eggs and look after the chicks.